If you want to make your Gamma cards look cleaner, more structured, and easier to read, then learning how to add a heading in Gamma app is a must. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to format your text as a heading inside a Gamma project, so you can make your content stand out fast. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the card where you want to add your heading. This could be the top of a section, the beginning of a new idea, or anywhere you want to create a clear title for your content. Gamma makes it really easy to organize information visually, and adding headings is one of the best ways to do that. Next, click directly inside the card. Place your cursor in the exact spot where you want the heading to appear. If you already have text typed out, you can use that existing text and turn it into a heading. If you don't have any text yet, just type the heading you want to use. For example, you might type something like Project Overview, Key Features, or Getting Started. Once your text is there, select the text you want to format. You can highlight the full line or just the words you want to turn into a heading. After that, look for the Text Formatting Toolbar. This is where Gamma gives you different styling options for your content. In the toolbar, choose a heading style if it's available. Depending on the layout and version you're using, Gamma may show different text styles, such as heading, subheading, or other formatting levels. Pick the one that matches the look you want for your card. As soon as you apply it, the selected text will change into a heading inside your Gamma card. If the heading doesn't look exactly how you want right away, don't worry. You can click back into the text, adjust the selection, and try a different heading style until it fits your design. This is really useful if you're building presentations, notes, documents, or any kind of structured content inside Gamma. A quick tip here, keep your headings short and clear. The best headings are easy to scan and instantly tell the viewer what the section is about. That way your Gamma project looks more professional and your content becomes much easier to follow. So to recap, open your Gamma project, click inside the card, type your heading text, select it, open the formatting toolbar, and choose a heading style. That's all it takes to add a heading in Gamma app. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.